Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to create text animation in After Effects in 2026. So whether you're making YouTube intros, cinematic titles, reels, gaming edits, or motion graphics, yeah, After Effects gives you powerful tools for creating smooth and professional text animations. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using the resolution and frame rate you want. Next, import your background video, image, or solid color into the composition. Now select the text tool and type the title, caption, or words you want to animate. Before animating, adjust the font, size, color, spacing, and alignment to match your video style. After Effects includes built-in animation presets that can quickly create professional text animations. Once your text animation looks good, export the final video using Adobe Media Encoder or the Render Queue. And that's basically how to create text animation in After Effects in 2026. With keyframes, motion blur, range selectors, and cinematic effects, you can create professional-looking animated titles directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.